Hello guys, need to verify your identity on ID.me, taxes, benefits, tax records or government services. Well, I will tell you exactly how to complete ID.me verification. So firstly guys, you need to of course sign into your account, go to ID.me and either log in or create a free account. You'll need a working email and a strong password. Once logged in, choose the service you need to verify for, like the IRS, unemployment, or healthcare. Click verify with ID.me when prompted. So in the verification options, you will get uploading a government-issued photo ID, verifying via a live video call, or using a biometric selfie plus document scan. Select your preferred methods and follow the prompts carefully. Use a clear photo of your ID, like a passport, driver license, or state ID. For best results, uploaded in a well-lit environment. Make it in this environment and ensure the document isn't blurry. You may be asked to confirm your phone number, SSN or address. Input these securely. ID.me uses encrypted verification. After submission, ID.me may instantly verify you, or you'll wait for a few minutes. You'll get an email once you're fully verified. And that's how to verify on this service. If this helped, give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel for more such guides and check the description. Stay verified and stay secure.